Good morning to everyone. This is Prashad, lecturer in physics, Harvard Degree College, K. Paramalapuram. Today we are discussing about third paper. The title name is Aberrations. In these aberrations, the introduction of the aberration. Deviation produced by the lens. Introduction topic is deviation produced by the lens. Deviation produced by thin lens. Let us take as a principal axis. This is the principal axis, and let us take thin lenses. This is the thin lenses. This is thin lenses. In these thin lenses, let us consider a object on the principal axis. Let us consider an object on the principal axis, and the light ray passing through the thin lens. This is the view. It means object. Object is on a principal axis. A light ray passing through the thin lens. This is the radius of curvature of the lens. A light ray passing through the thin lens. In this light ray strikes at a height h. Strikes at height h. And after striking in this ray, refracted in the same path, and this is called as refracted path. This is the refracted path. The object, it has been formed as image. This we indicate from the image. The distance from U to midpoint of the object to midpoint of the lens is called U. And U means object distance, and V is the image distance. In this diagram, and it has been the incident angle and diffraction angle, it has been formed as deviation angle, and it can be denoted by delta. What is the deviation angle? It is defined as the angle between incident ray and reflected ray. That angle is called deviation angle. In the deviation angle, which is equal to incident angle and refracted angle, is called as this angle indicated from alpha, this angle indicated from beta, and the length of focal length. What is, before we are discussing about in this diagram, and what is focal length? Focal length is defined as the distance between principal point and midpoint of the lens is called focal length. Let us diagram it has been proved that. Let us take as a lens, and all the rays are incident on in this lens and focused at a point. and the distance between focus point and midpoint of the lens is called focal length. The distance between focus point and principal point, midpoint of principal point is called focal length, and the length of focal length indicate from F. Thin length of focal length indicate from F. And we know that this delta is the deviation angle. Deviation angle means delta W equal to delta equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. And in this diagram, two triangles is drawn from UC. Suppose it has been indicated from A, and this is this name indicate from object means O. This name indicate from image I. OAC is a right angle triangle. OAC. In this right angle triangle, which is equal to alpha, and another triangle I